What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TP-Link router no internet access. Now, if you're having problems with your TP-Link router here and there's no internet connectivity, well, there are a few things here that you could try doing. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that your router here has or was well rested. Now, devices like this tend to overheat. Now, if you notice, like if you touch your router here and it's overheating, it means that's the problem. So you may want to basically unplug it or turn it off using the back button here and basically just wait for about 5 minutes and see if that helps. Now, once 5 minutes is up, go ahead and plug it back in and turn it on and see if that helps. Now, another thing that you may want to do here is you may want to check with your provider or your internet provider if there's actual internet. Now, sometimes the problem itself might be the provider, so maybe like check or call the support team or the support landline for your provider and see if that's the problem. Now, if none of this actually work, make sure that the plug or the internet connectivity here. So as you can see, we also have WLAN here. So make sure that anything is connected in your router here is properly connected, especially the WLAN here. So you want to make sure that's properly plugged in and it's actually has the hooked inside. So you'll hear like a small click when you're plugging back in. So yeah, so once you've done that, go and see if that helps. Now, if none of this actually works, you could go ahead and press the WPS or reset button here for about 15 seconds to reset your router. But just keep in mind, this erases everything from your router. Do this as a final resort. And yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.